Have you ever faced issues with your Wi-Fi signal? The culprit could be the placement of your router. You see, the location of your router plays a significant role in determining the strength and reliability of your Wi-Fi signal. It's not just about plugging it in and hoping for the best. There's a science to it, involving everything from the height at which it's placed to the objects surrounding it. Now let's dive into some tips to ensure optimal router placement in your home. First and foremost, place your router in a central location in your home. This is crucial to ensure that the signal reaches all areas of your house more evenly. Think of your router as the heart of your home's internet. Just as your heart pumps blood throughout your body, your router sends Wi-Fi signals throughout your home. So, placing it near the edge of your home is like trying to pump blood only to one part of your body. It just doesn't work as well. Now let's elevate the situation. Literally. Position your router at an elevated level, like on a shelf or a table. Placing it directly on the floor or in a closed cabinet is like trying to shout through a wall. It can block and weaken the signal. Next, you'll want to minimize obstructions. Walls, furniture, and large metal objects can obstruct the signal. It's like trying to see through a dense forest. Ideally, you want a clear line of sight between the router and your device. But there are also invisible obstacles you need to avoid. Other electronic devices that emit signals in the same frequency bands as your router, like cordless phones, baby monitors, and microwave ovens, can interfere with your Wi-Fi signal. It's like trying to listen to a radio station while another one is playing at the same time. Now, if your router has external antennas, try adjusting them. Positioning one vertically and one horizontally is like having a flashlight that can shine both upwards and sideways. It helps cover both horizontal and vertical spaces effectively. For those of you living in larger homes or dealing with weak signal spots, consider using Wi-Fi extenders or a mesh Wi-Fi system. These are like additional Wi-Fi stations that help extend the coverage of your network, but there's more to it than just physical placement. Let's look at some additional measures you can take. Keeping your router's firmware updated is crucial for its performance and security. Manufacturers consistently release updates that enhance the router's functionality. To avoid interference from neighboring networks, try adjusting your Wi-Fi channel settings. Importantly, password protect your network to deter unauthorized access that can slow down your connection. And don't forget to reboot your router occasionally, as this simple action can clear temporary glitches and boost performance. Remember, optimal Wi-Fi signals require a bit of experimentation and adjustment. Happy surfing! Having mentioned some additional measures to boost your Wi-Fi signal, let's now focus on a fundamental aspect: the central location of your router. This plays a crucial role in signal distribution. A centralized router location ensures an even distribution of your Wi-Fi signal, reducing the chances of dead zones in your home. So, how do you identify the central point in your home? Well, you can use a simple tape measure to get the dimensions of your home and find the midpoint. Alternatively, observe where most Wi-Fi enabled devices are used in your home and aim for a location that is equidistant from these areas. Once you've identified the central point, it's time to move your router. When doing this, remember to avoid physical obstructions, such as thick walls or large appliances. If your router is stuck in a corner due to its connection to your modem, consider getting a longer Ethernet cable or using a Wi-Fi extender. With a centralized router, you'll enjoy a stronger and more stable Wi-Fi signal throughout your home. So take the time to find the best spot for your router. Your Wi-Fi signal will thank you.